Backing up your Phantom Wallet mobile app is a crucial step in securing your digital assets and ensuring you can recover your wallet in case of an emergency. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to back up your Phantom Wallet mobile app. First, open the Phantom Wallet mobile app on your device and navigate to the Settings menu. This is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon, depending on your device and the version of the app you are using. Next, select the Backup option from the Settings menu. This will prompt you to create a backup of your wallet, which includes your private keys and other sensitive information. It is essential to keep this backup safe and secure, as it can be used to access your digital assets. To create the backup, you will be asked to enter your wallet password or PIN. This is an additional security measure to ensure that only authorized users can create a backup of the wallet. Enter your password or PIN correctly to proceed with the backup process. Once you have entered your password or PIN, the app will generate a seed phrase, which is a list of words used to restore your wallet. This seed phrase is typically 12 to 24 words long and must be kept safe and secure. Write down the seed phrase and store it in a safe location, such as a fireproof safe or a secure note-taking app. After you have written down the seed phrase, the app will ask you to confirm that you have saved it securely. This is an important step, as it ensures that you have taken the necessary precautions to protect your digital assets. Finally, verify that the backup has been created successfully by checking the app's Settings menu. You should see an option to restore your wallet using the seed phrase, which indicates that the backup was successful. Best practices for backing up your Phantom Wallet mobile app include storing the seed phrase in a safe and secure location, such as a fireproof safe or a secure note-taking app. You should also avoid storing the seed phrase on your device or in a cloud storage service, as this can compromise the security of your digital assets. In conclusion, backing up your Phantom Wallet mobile app is a simple and straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your digital assets are secure and can be recovered in case of an emergency.